just have went there. I thought it is be 10 minutes to 1 hour. Okay. So as the last class, we discussed a few issues, right? What are that one? So morning we discussed and completed BSOD, right? BSOD I completed, and keyboard and mouse issue also completed. But if in case any chance I got it, I will do it. Otherwise, it's there in the document, guys. So please go through it. Next important is a very important one is post error. Okay, here in the interview, there's some people ask question. Okay, buzz sound. Okay, screen is not turning on. Okay, how do you do if your system is screen is not turning on and it is giving buzz sound? Okay, this is one question. Okay, so similarly, it is solution same, but question is different. Okay, system is on, like you power on your system, power LED is blinking, but nothing on the monitor. On monitor, nothing showing. It is a blank screen. You are getting a blank screen or a black screen. Okay, you got a blank screen or a black screen. You power on your system. Okay, power LED. No display, it's a blank screen, nothing on the monitor, no hard disk is blinking, keyboard LED is also not blinking. Okay, so or you power on your system, system screen is not turning on. It is giving sound like a beep sound, continuous beep sounds. So either this the question or that question. Answer is same, guys. It is post failures. Okay, so whenever your system is turned on, okay, whenever system is turned on, already I told this one, so but again I'm telling BLA CK black screen or blank screen. Black screen or a blank screen. Okay, or a buzz sound like monitor, nothing on the monitor, right? So what is the happen? So when your system is turned on, first of what is the in a boot processing, first step is post power on self-test. System test itself to make sure all primary components working or not. That is a post operation, right? So when you are getting this kind of issue, okay, blank screen or a black screen, multiple beep sounds, you are getting nothing on the monitor. These are the things. Keyboard LED is not blinking. Okay, so it is a post failure. Post failure, most of the cases, it is a RAM. It is a RAM related issue. So if you are getting this kind of issue, you have to clean the RAM. So power off the system, completely power off the system, remove the power connections, disconnect all the power connections, remove the RAM, clean RAM edges with eraser, clean the RAM edges with eraser, and clean the RAM dust formation, RAM slot, dust formation, RAM slot, dust formation, anything is there. So you have to use some hand blower to clean it. So in a RAM, when we are discussed about a RAM, so there is a pictures. Okay, yeah, like this. So these are the clean the RAM edges with eraser, blow out this RAM slots. Okay, cleaning and reinserting it, try again. That is one. Second is change the RAM slot. If RAM is in the one slot, change it to another slot. RAM is inserted in one slot. So change it to another slot. Make sure RAM is fixed properly or not. Make sure RAM is fixed properly or not. So this is first troubleshooting you will do it. The very first troubleshooting is what to do. So check the RAM connectivity, RAM dust formations, clean the RAM edges, okay, RAM slots, okay, reconnect it and check it, change the RAM slots, change RAM from one RAM to one slot to another slot, change the RAM slot. Cross verify the RAM is working or not. Verify the RAM is working or not. If RAM is not working, then replace with a new RAM. That is the troubleshooting. And on your motherboard, you can also see maybe if you new motherboards having this LED indication, which component is failure. If DRAM LED is blinking means DRAM related, RAM related issue. If CPU, VGA, so based on that LEDs also you can understand. Okay. The first thing is here it is in the document also there is a things. System screen is not turning on with a buzz sound. Okay. So you have to ask the user is the power LED is blinking or not. Any beep sounds are hearing. What is the pattern of beep sound? Based on the pattern of beep sound, you are getting issues. Okay. Symptoms: black screen error, buzz or a beep noise from the CPU or motherboard, no display output on the monitor. Okay. So this is the one by one, step by step. Based on the issue, you can able to verify it. Okay. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is also asked earlier. So buzz sound or blank screen, black screen error, nothing on the monitor. This is a solution. So mostly it is RAM related. Okay, other than RAM also possible, but mostly it is RAM related. Next is you power on your system. On the system, it is showing bootable device not found. Bootable device not found on the screen. Or operating system not found. Operating system not found, bootable device not found, boot device not found. Mostly it is hard disk is failure. Bootable device not found. Where it is? Second is bootable device not found. Okay. So bootable device or operating system not found. Operating system device not found. Okay. So why is device not found? Any error, it is meaning is your either hard disk is failed. It is related to either hard disk or OS related. Either hard disk is failed, operating system is corrupted. How to confirm? So go to the BIOS settings. In the BIOS settings, make sure hard disk is showing on. If hard disk is showing means hard disk is working, OS is corrupted. Okay. Next, hard disk is not showing. Hard disk is not showing. Maybe hard disk is loosely connected. So what happened? Open the cabinet. So disconnect the hard disk and reconnect the hard disk. Disconnect the hard disk and reconnect the hard disk. Or cross verify. Make sure that is hard disk is working or not. In case hard disk is not working, what to do? Replace the hard disk. Replace the hard disk. In case hard disk is not working, what to do? Hard disk is not working. Add a new hard disk. Replace the hard disk. If you have a system image backup, restore into it. Otherwise, install the OS applications and data is lost. You can't recover it. If hard disk is working, means it is OS related. Okay, so you can try different solutions. If you have a system image backup, you can restore it. So try to do startup repair. Try to use some installation media or repair disk and go to the troubleshoot option, advanced option, then go to the startup repair. Try startup repair or try reset this PC. If nothing works, reinstall the operating system. Okay. So if hard disk is working, OS related. What to do? Try the startup repair. If you have a system image backup, restore it. Nothing works, system, reset this PC, try. Otherwise, reinstall the OS. Okay. So remember those points. So point wise, just remember. So portable device not found, hard disk or OS. So make sure hard disk is working or not. Not working means new hard disk, system image backup, restore. Otherwise, start installing OS. That's it. Hard disk is working, means OS is corrupted. So maybe you have to try startup repair. Maybe bootable files are corrupted. So try startup repair. Okay, use installation media or repair disk media, recovery media. Try to do startup repair, reset this PC. If you have a system image backup, restore it. If you have a nothing works, nothing, we can't able to reinstall the OS. Okay, next. Windows keep loading. Windows keep loading. What is Windows keep loading? If you see in this image, you power on your system, there is a Windows logo. Under the Windows logo, you can see that loading symbol. Meaning is keep loading symbol it is. Okay. It generally happens when you power on your system. Actually, it is showing Windows logo and there is a loading symbol. Okay, Windows logo and keep loading. Generally, it will show for a minute or two maximum. Okay, normally it is 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, sometimes it will take 1 minute, 2 minutes, but it will take long time. Means like half an hour, 1 hour. Windows keep loading. That is called a Windows keep loading. Like a long time, half an hour you are waited, 1 hour you are waited. You are getting this like that only. So what to do? Sometimes because of the backend updates or incomplete updates or incomplete removal of updated download updated files, this Windows keep loading occurs. Means improper update. Improper update. Not properly update is not completed properly in background. Okay, while system is running or restarting, that time improper updates are happened. Properly updates are not completed, or update files are not removed completely. So while it is trying to remove it, it taking long time. So that's why you are getting this issue. Second is bootable files are not connecting. It has to be connected to your other operating system files, not connecting. Bootable files corruption. So there is another reason. So what to do? What to do? Press the long press on the start button, restarting your PC, or press the power on button, long press. Long press, you do it, it's forcibly power off your system. Again, power on. Next power on, this error is not coming, no problem. Continue. Okay. If you got, again you got it, again power off, again power off, again power off. Then it will take you to this troubleshooting options. Then go to select advanced options, then startup repair. Startup repair. So I will show you that one, how the options are there. Troubleshoot, sorry, advanced options. Windows 10 or Windows 11, see like this. First it will show like this. Continue, troubleshoot, turn off your PC. Select troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, when you select a troubleshoot, you will see uh, not direct advanced options. If you select a troubleshoot, then it will show like this. Reset this PC, advanced options. So you select troubleshoot, reset this PC, advanced options. Once you select advanced options, it shows like this. System, restoration, startup repair, okay, startup settings like that. Startup repair, you have to select startup repair. Okay, for this one, startup repair. Recently, I got a new issue. So that is, even I press the long button of power off, it's not really powering off. Again, a power on it, same error it is showing. Shutting down. Example is I'm getting shutting down. I got that issue. Shutting down. Okay. What I have done, I press Control Shift Windows button and power off. Control Shift Windows button, three buttons plus power off button, long press of power off button. So now it is went to the power off, exact internal power off. Once it is power off, so next when I'm turning on, it continues that what is the back end updates and all. So it is clear that one, and I got a login screen. I got a system booted loaded. Okay, so that is also there. Okay, Windows keep loading means what to startup repair. Force power off, power on, power off, power on. It will take you troubleshoot. Go to troubleshoot, advanced options, startup repair. Okay, so these are the main important things in system is getting a point. System slow, what to do? That is also there, guys. Okay, system slow, what to do? Okay. Yeah. So what are the three issues we discussed? Already we discussed about BSOD, black screen or blank screen, buzz sound or beep sound. Okay, if you got a question, buzz sound or beep sound, answer is same. What it is? Most possibly RAM related issues. So power off the entire system. Okay, check the RAM connectivity or all hardware component connectivity like CPU, RAM and everything. Remove the RAM and reinsert the RAM. Clean the RAM edges, RAM slots, and also change the RAM slot. Okay, one by one you have to check and make sure RAM is working or not. If RAM is not working, replace the RAM. Bootable device not found. When you power on your system, it's showing bootable device not found. Either it is hard disk or SSD issue or maybe operating system. Hard disk is working or not. If hard disk is not working, replace with a new hard disk. And hard disk is working means it is OS related issue. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Okay. Sorry, sir. Okay. Next one is Windows keep loading. Of course, it's like hard disk is yeah, OS is this is OS related issue. If it is OS related issue, so try startup repair. Okay, or reinstall the OS. Next is Windows keep loading. So Windows keep loading means so it is either bootable files are corrupted or maybe background updates are not finished. So then what to do? Force restart your system. Stop your system and restart your system. It will take you to the troubleshooting. Go to the advanced options, then startup repair or put press Control Shift Windows plus long press, this issue will be resolved. Okay. We discussed about a BSOD in a BSOD related. Also, once again, this save mode and all not required, guys. It is required. Already we discussed now, so why we should worry about it? Here, some are the issues also I mentioned. Okay. And this application not responding, crash suddenly. There are application issue. So I open an application, it's not opening. Or application open but freezes, not functioning. It's showing not responding. Okay. Or crashing means suddenly it is closed again. It is open, working and close. Open, working, close. So what to do? What to do? Application not working. Outlook is not working. Application is not working. Application related issue. Okay. What is the solution? It is application issue. Now it is application issue. In application issue, what to do is like this. It is the BSOD. This is application. Okay. If application is not working, not opening, keep crashing. First is try to repair. How to go to repair? Go to control panel, programs and feature. In that one, select that application. So try to click on modify or repair options. Modify, change or repair options. So try to repair that application. Try repair first. After repair of application not working, what to do? Uninstall that application, restart your PC, try reinstall the application. Uninstall the application, restart the PC, and then install the application again. One more is there, that is important. Try any antivirus. Use any antivirus to scan your registry. I use my preferences using a Malwarebytes application. Okay, this Malwarebytes application, you can use it for a free also, and paid is also there. Paid is very costly. Free is not doing everything. Okay, but with a free, so don't go with the trial premium also. Go with the only free versions. Okay, so personal or home office browsing. Okay, so it is a very costly one kind of stuff. Personal. Okay, so it is a per year. Now the starting cost is showing very less, but of course you can buy it, or otherwise you can go with the free trial version kind of stuff. Basic trial version also providing some kind of support. Okay, but thing is, while you are using Malwarebytes, you can directly scan registry, just a registry scan. Okay, you can go to the option called registry scanning. Just you can scan your registry. So when you're scanning your registry in a Malwarebytes, so what happened? You try to find any trojans, malwares, spywares hooked to your registry and controlling your application. So it will clean that one. So simply say use any antivirus to scan your system, or use an antivirus to scan your registry to find any problem in your application. Okay. So application is not working also because of virus. Okay. Application related issues. Application not loading, crashing, like that. It is also asked earlier. That's why I'm adding this issue. Okay. Application related issue. Okay. So why I'm telling very short way, why not it is a very lengthy and answers. Okay. Okay. Why? Because of guys, in your interview also, you have to tell in a 4 to 5 points wise only. Okay. So step by step, you have to tell application not opening, not working, not it's keep on crashing. What it is, go to control panel. Okay. Go to programs and features. Then select application. Try to do repair. Try repair. If repair is not successful, then what to do? Uninstall the application. Okay. Your repair option is not available. Then uninstall the application, restart your PC, reinstall the application. Third one is use antivirus to scan your system in case of any viruses. Because of virus, that is application is not working. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to say. Okay. And the last one in that application not working. If not one application, multiple applications are not working. One is virus, second one is even the virus not found. Even there is no antivirus not found any viruses. So you can also try reset this PC. You can try resetting. Resetting will remove all applications and settings. You can keep your data, it reinstall your OS. So that's the thing. Resetting this. So like that 4 5 point wise, you have to tell. So instead of telling big stories, just like earlier, I told very big stories sometimes. Sometimes it is only point wise. First understand issues, guys. Read issue questions, each issue. Black screen, blank screen, buzz sound, deep beep sounds. Okay. From the notes as well as my document also, this document. Keyboard is not working. Keyboard is not working already. I seen. Guys, if it is a desktop keyboard. So we are connected to USB. So change the port. Change the keyboard port and check it. Check the keyboard LEDs. Replace keyboard with another keyboard. Cross verify the keyboard. Okay. Second is drivers related, physical hardware related and drivers related. Go to device manager. Go to the keyboard section. In the device manager, go to keyboard section. Scan for hardware changes. And restart your PC. Sometimes system is not recognizing at a boot time, so it's not restarting your PC is helpful. Next is in device manager under keyboard. So go to standard keyboard, right click, try to update drivers. Otherwise, uninstall the drivers. Restart your PC, drivers will be reloaded and it may work again. Cross verify the keyboard, whether keyboard is working or not. If it is a wireless keyboard or wireless mouse, wireless keyboard or mouse, same thing. Keyboard and mouse, same solutions. Okay. Wireless keyboard or wireless mouse. In that cases, check the mouse is connected or not. Mouse that power is on or not. Power LED is blinking or not. Battery is inserted properly or not. Mouse or keyboard, Bluetooth connection is there. So that Bluetooth one is inserted properly or not. Okay. Bluetooth is inserted or not. Go to device drivers, go to the mouse related, keyboard or mouse, Bluetooth related in the device manager. Go to device. You can also check it in your system. Don't change anything. Check in your system. Okay. You can update your Bluetooth drivers. Scan for hardware changes, update, and drivers or uninstall the drivers. Even a keyboard, mouse. Where is my mouse? Okay. So try to uninstall the device and reinstall the device or update the device. Scan for hardware changes also. So make sure your mouse is sensing there. Means mouse to your system, laptop or desktop, or keyboard to your laptop or desktop, that Bluetooth connection is there or not. The Bluetooth module is connected or not. Next, batteries, power connectivity. Okay. In case this keyboard is enhanced into your laptop, it's a laptop keyboard. It's a laptop keyboard or laptop trackpad. Laptop keyboard, laptop trackpads are enhanced internally connected, not externally connected. You can't change the ports and all. Okay. So what to do? So go to device manager. So try use something like a external keyboard. Try to use external keyboard. First is use external keyboard and mouse. Go to device manager, scan for hardware changes or use virtual keyboard. Okay. Try to scan for hardware related changes. Okay. Restart your PCs. Okay. Your keyboard is not working. Okay. Restart your PC. Go to hardware device manager, scan for hardware changes, update the drivers, uninstall the drivers, restarting the PC. It will do it. Okay. If in case in that situation also it's not working, use external keyboard or use external mouse. In case of this keyboard is not working. Okay. So keyboard. So which device it is? Laptop keyboard, enhanced keyboard, or a desktop keyboard. USB connected or directly integrated. Okay. Wireless keyboard or wired type of keyboard. Depends upon the you can able to troubleshoot. Okay. So one is hardware related troubleshooting, connectivity related. Second is software related, device drivers related troubleshooting. Okay. Keyboard is not working. Mouse is not working. So same said, I know, same. Mouse is also same. This is already we discussed. Buzz sound. Windows system screen is showing a blank screen or black screen kind of stuff. That is also same thing that is. So clean the RAM edges. Okay. Make sure RAM is working or not. And reinstall the RAM once again. Okay. These are the very, very important question, guys. Application keep crashing. That is also very important. Another important application related Outlook. Outlook. Outlook is a mail client application. Use it to send and receive mail. Use it to send and receive mail. Okay. Someone put a message. Very good. There is good questions like Yuvraj asked. If we uninstall application, what about previous files in the application, guys? For example, this is a document, okay? Document and application is Microsoft Word, okay? If I uninstall the Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office, so what happened? Microsoft is Office is an application. Word is a application. It's not a document. It is once you are uninstall the application. So what happened? Application will be removed. Okay, but document remains in your system. A document may not open. We can't double click and open it if application is not available. Okay, so application is different. Application related documents are pictures, anything. So okay, this is paintbrush. I think I have a paintbrush, notepad, PPT, like that. There are a lot of things. So whenever you uninstall that related application, that application generated documents, pictures, or files will be remains in your system, but application will be removed. Okay. In case I uninstall this Google Chrome, okay, Google Chrome, but Google Chrome saved data is also there. Inside a Google Chrome application, there is a bookmarks. There is a bookmarks, passwords, filling data, cache memories are there. So I install the Google Chrome application. Google Chrome is keep on crashing. What I have done, I uninstall it. Once I install it, in the temporarily, this Google Chrome browser history, this bookmarks, that information is there inside. Application is removed, but that data is remains in our system in temporary folder. Okay, inside that Google Chrome data, separate folder is there. If that is also removed, like restarting and other things, then you won't get that data because it's internal data of an applications may not comes again. Sometimes it will come. It's all depends upon where it is saved and when it is again reinstalled. Okay. So generally in your C username under documents, see either it will store here or under app data. Okay, it will be saved here. See, it's inside your system. Sometimes it will be clean. Sometimes it will be not be clean. I think you know the gaming data. You play a game and you save the game. The saved game information stores in saved game folder, right? Sometimes it will be inside your system. Sometimes while you are installing application, internal data can be removed, like their keys, some links. For example, I have a MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench contains a lot of what we can say connected to MySQL database connectivity configuration is there. Application internal configurations may be removed. So definitely. So that's why certain applications, their application data will be gone, but that application generated files, documents, pictures will be remains in your system. But application, when you are uninstall that application, internal configurations data, internal configuration data that may be removed from your system also. That's why you can't say one answer, you have to tell 2 points. Very good question. Any questions, guys? Ask those questions. Any question? Okay. Very good. Outlook. Okay, leave out Outlook. Outlook, I will tell tomorrow. Outlook and VPN, then Outlook troubleshooting also. Okay. So section wise now, so that's why I am getting little interest on certain questions. So this is hardware troubleshooting. User report monitoring is not displaying anything. nothing on the monitor or anything on the monitor. So it displaying nothing on the monitor. Okay. Outlook is again application related. Okay. That's a little difference is there. Okay. Power on my system. On the screen, it is showing no signal. No signal or nothing on the monitor. So two important things are there. Here, already I told it's a blank screen. It is a blank screen and no signal error. No signal are also not showing. Nothing it is showing. Meaning is it can be a post error. But important, you have to verify the monitor is powered on or not. Check the monitor power LED is blinking or not. System power LED is blinking or not. System power LED is blinking. Monitor power LED is also blinking. Your keyboard LED is also blinking. Means it is post related issue. Means either RAM or any other component failure is occur. First we'll check about the RAM. It's a post related issue. In case your system LED is blinking, your system power LED is blinking, keyboard LED is also blinking, monitor LED is also blinking, but nothing on the monitor. So there is a different issue. And there is a different issue. Sometimes on monitor only, mouse pointer is only showing. Mouse pointer only showing. That is again different. So in case, make sure that is monitor is connected or not. Both data cable is connected, power cable is connected, power LED is blinking or not. Okay. Next. So on monitor, it is showing no signal. No signal means in your system, VGA card related issues. Either the data cable is not properly inserted. Okay, VGA cable is not connected properly, or on system, VGA related drivers are not installed. Okay, or in a processor, VGA support is not there. So you have to install the new graphic card. Okay, graphic card related. So first is power supply. Second one is check with the graphical related information is your graphic card related issue. You have to try new graphic card, VGA related support. Try to boot in safe mode with a minimum support. Okay. So if it is HDMI, so HDMI instead of HDMI, so we can connect to VGA and verify the display information. Okay. And check the data cable. Also test the data cable also. Try to connect with another monitor. Try to connect another monitor or a projector. Is a monitor issue or a system issue. You have to find it. Okay. Do you able to hear any graphic? Means if keyboard LED is also not blinking. Okay. Hard disk LED is not blinking. So it can be host related. So open the cabinet, power off entire system, disconnect all main power supply. So open the cabinet, check the RAM and other devices like CPU and other components. Make sure they are connected properly. Disconnect and reconnect it. Dust formation is there, then clean it and verify the each component working on that. Okay. The display is related. Even I got this issue, guys. What happened? I purchased individual component like a CPU. I purchased it. My CPU is i3 9100F model. Okay. And I purchased motherboard and there is a 16 GB RAM, everything, hard disk, SSD. I purchased individual components. I assembled everything. Then finally I connected to my monitor. My monitor is my TV only. There is a 24-inch TV. I purchased it instead of monitor because monitor is 5,000. TV is also 5,500 around. Okay, even monitor also with 20 inches, 20 inches is around 6,000. So I got a very less cost of instead of monitor, I kept a simple TV. It's a HD TV. That's enough. It is not full HD. It is so it will support 1024 into 768 or more than that one 1366 into 768. It support display to support not 4K or higher than that one. It won't support not full HD. It's just HD. Okay. And it contains USB, HDMI, VGA port support also there. So for initially I connected, I got a no signal. Then I check on the monitor, my motherboard. On motherboard, VGA LED is blinking. Okay. If RAM LED is blinking means RAM related issue. It's VGA LED is blinking. So what happened? So it's a VGA related. Then I search on the document, both Intel website and Amazon where I purchased it. So I found that the it need a graphic card because the processor does not have any graphical memory. So I purchased 2 GB graphic card, inserted a 2 GB graphic card, and I got the monitor. So earlier it is showing no signal error. No signal error means either monitor to your system data cable connectivity, or maybe graphic card related or VGA related issues. One more is there, guys. I said my monitor is support 1366 into 768 resolution. If I increase my resolution in the system, so monitor is not supporting. That time also you will get a blank screen. You are getting a blank screen in a different ways. System is getting blank screen in a different situations. One is, as I said, is VGA or graphic card is not supporting, you won't get the display. A data cable problem, you won't get a display. It's a monitor, data cable, or system, graphic card, or VGA card, or maybe graphic card, or maybe processor not supporting graphic things. That is one situation. Second, monitor is not working. So that is another one. Monitor not connected properly. Also, you're getting a blank screen. Next, host means any primary devices like a RAM or a processor or on keyboard power distribution or keyboard on motherboard components not working. Then you'll get a post failure. Then also you got a blank screen. And now I told one point that is screen resolution, supported screen resolution higher than the monitor supported screen resolution. Your monitor is supporting 1024 into 768. But you choose higher than that one screen resolution, you get a blank screen. Another one is explorer.exe process is showing all the screen and everything. If explorer.exe is killed, not loading properly. So this explore.exe is not loading. So you can't see anything, system background or taskbar like that. It shows some files are open files, it will shows. Mouse pointer, it will shows. But nothing on the monitor. So guys, the system on the screen is not visible. Either it is post RAM failure or it can be graphic card information like that. Non-working keyboard or mouse. Network cable is faulty. Post. What is post? If no display and no beep sound, what to do? Okay. Overheating issue. Printer issue. You try to print. So like you're trying to print. So but printer is not printing. Okay. Printer is not printing. Earlier, till yesterday, printer is working. Now it is not working. What to do? Okay. What to do? Okay. So check the connectivity. So if printer is connected to your system through USB cable, so change the port. Change the port. Second one is uh, restart your PC and restart your printer. Okay. restart your PC, restart your printer. To change the port connectivity, restart your PC and restart your printer. Power off the printer, power on the printer. Check any error information. Power LED is blinking on the printer or not. Any error LEDs or error messages on your printer or in your system it is showing. Paper is loaded properly or not. Printer papers are loaded properly or not. Okay. Printer paper loaded properly or not. Next step. Okay. Drivers are installed properly. Any recent driver update is happened. Uninstall it, the drivers. Means roll back the drivers. Okay. Or uninstall the drivers, restarting your PC, so the drivers will be reloaded, or you have to reinstall the drivers once again. So these are the solutions. In case issue is not resolved, you will escalate to L2. Otherwise, contact the printer model. So based on the printer company, contact the vendor, find out for the solution. Okay. Remove the print spooler. Printer is working, but when I'm giving a print, it's not printing. Clear the print queue means go to the, like you got a, guys, what I'm trying to say is you have the question. Now you are reading the answer like this, right? Printer is online, printer is working, but not printing. You're given a print, but not working. So what is the problem? Clear the print queue. Cancel all pending jobs. How to do it? Did you done that one earlier? Did I show to you how to get? So then copy this information. Okay, copy it, put it in a Google. Okay, find it. What is that mean? Either that related any YouTube videos are there, it is best. If any related YouTube videos are there, so go to that one and try to see what is this print queue and how to clear the print queue. Okay. If not, then try to go with the document only. Okay. So guys, I am given a questions and answers. Does not mean you have to by heart it. Some are I can able to explain, some are I can't able to explain. Okay. Even if I explain or not explain, you're reading it. If you're while you're reading and while I'm explaining, you got a doubt. In a live class, you can tell. Even tomorrow also, or in a group also, you can post. Don't send personally in a group, so you don't understand this particular thing, or you are getting a new question here. So put it that way. And then I will try to find an answer, and immediately I will give you an answer. Now, immediately or maybe sometime after some time, I will try to give an answer for that. Our next class we will going to discuss. First is if you don't get it. Second, not always you can't ask, right? You don't need to wait for some time. You can ask me, but also no need to wait for. Okay. So what to do? Copy that one, search in a Google, find it some Google answer or maybe some Google pictures or maybe from the YouTube videos, you can find it. So how to clear the print queues. Okay. In the bottom, there is a print symbol is there. So click on the print symbol or go to the control panel, devices and printers, go to the printer, double click, open, see what's printing. On the printer, it shows see what's printing. Go to that one, remove the all printing queues. Then try to restart your printer or your printer and try to reprint it. Restart the print pool services. So, or you can use the command called net stop folder. And again, start the print pooling. Check the printer status, make sure printer is on, means there is a green, check it, or any error or low, okay, papers as well as ink status also you have to find it. Try printing from other applications. Maybe you're trying to print from PDF file. So it's not working, then try with any other PDF application. Or try to do this test printing first. Do the test printing to make sure that printer is working. It's not about printer or your system or drivers. It is about an application. And try to reinstall the drivers, update the drivers, or uninstall the drivers, restart the PC, or reinstall the drivers. Okay. We can use printer troubleshoot to find what is the printer connectivity issues like that. Okay. So like this, guys, take one by one question, start from bottom to top, because in the top there is a lot of questions but not answers, but from bottom to top one by one. Okay. And what is the thing I want to say last is, yeah, I shared some of the questions to you. Okay, some questions, interview questions from the previous batches I shared to you guys. Okay, go to the question, find out technical questions. So go through the documents. Okay, find out answer from it. Keyboard is not working, mouse is not working, so bus sound you are getting, or maybe BSOD you are getting, what is the BIOS. So go to all the technical questions one by one, search in the documents, read it from it. In case you don't find it in our document, or you don't understand it from the document, put that question immediately in the WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group. Don't send personally. If someone got that one, someone got that related information, they will give it to you. If I got it, I will give it to you also. Okay. So this is, you have to do it, guys, compulsory, because there is a 4 or 5 common technical questions or common troubleshooting questions compulsory for everyone. So compulsory, try this one. Try today, those who are free today. Okay. Means those who are not having Versant or voice and accent are already completed Versant and voice and accent. Okay. So try this one. Try to find the questions and answer. And put a message also in the group. Ask your Revan sir to share recent questions, recent batch technical questions. So they then find it. This technical part of the question, find an answer. Remaining questions are personal based questions. You can find it. Not only that, also you can read remaining what is our based on our syllabus, what is also there. You can first try complete this troubleshooting on hardware and networking. Then you can go with the remaining syllabus. Okay. Today do that one. Okay. Understandable, guys. Tomorrow we'll start new topic. Again, we have a Wednesday is a holiday, so we'll complete in a 3 days. Okay. Small topics are there that I will complete. That's it for today. So have a lunch, and if sir is take any session, so you will take it. Otherwise, prepare for your Versant and voice and action, and give 1 hour time today for find out the questions and answers. Okay. Anything? Any doubts, questions? Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. So have a lunch. Okay. You can leave. I'm also closing.